Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I'm excited to show off the brand new 2020 C8 Corvette by Chevrolet.
So I'm at the Sema show in Las Vegas, Nevada, and there is an unveiling of the car and this new colors. So the color you see here is known as Rapid Blue. It has 12 color options coming out. This Rapid Blue Corvette is also a convertible model. In keeping with the Corvette tradition, the standard models have a removable top.
So you're either going to love it or hate it, but this vehicle only comes in automatic. So now it features a dual clutch automatic transmission that's capable of lightning fast shifts. And that transmission is mounted up to the new LT2 6.2 liter normally aspirated engine that has 490 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque. So they moved the engine from the front of the vehicle to behind the driver, which makes this a mid-engine vehicle, and which a lot of people consider this as a supercar now. With the engine in the back now, there's tons of leg room. It's more comfortable in the cab of the vehicle. This vehicle is also designed to be left-hand and right-hand drive. So they want this vehicle to sell all over the world, so they designed it both ways. A unique feature about this Corvette is the ability to raise and lower the nose of the vehicle. That way you don't damage the splitter when you're parking it or pulling into the steep driveways. Also in the infotainment system, you can program those spots where the nose needs to be lifted up to 1,000 of those it'll remember. And as you approach it, it'll automatically lift the vehicle so you can pull in or out. I'm sure that they're going to come out with all kinds of different splitters that you can change out. Like on the C7, there's different models of splitters that you can put on. I'm sure they're going to come out with stuff like that for the new C8. Also, all the grill openings that you see on the vehicle are functional. They're none of them are faux grill openings. They're all designed to either extract heat from the engine or cool off the brakes. So now that the engine's in the rear of the vehicle, in the front here, they have what they call a frunk. So it's, a front trunk here that you can fit a couple things in there, but not too much. So this particular model is convertible, so I thought I'd show you the convertible top in action and how long it takes to raise and lower the top. And as you see here, the top is actually pretty fast going up and down. So the new C8 comes with 3 different seat options you can choose from. One, they call it the GT1, which is your basic seat. And then they have a GT2, which is like a mid-level sporty seat. And then they have a full competition seat that you can get for the vehicle. It also has this brand new steering wheel that's squared off. And at the top, there's a stripe to let you know where the center line of the vehicle is when you're driving it sporty. So to help you pick the exact model car with the exact color and stitching of the interior, all that stuff, they had this amazing touchscreen display here, so you can see the vehicle from all different kinds of angles. You can push buttons and switch out the colors of the vehicle. You can check out the different options for the wheels, everything on this touchscreen. So there's going to be 12 color options. So all you have to do is push a button right here, and we were able to see the different colors of the vehicles. So Chevrolet has made this where you can really custom order this vehicle. So they have several different wheel packages that you can choose from, color packages. They're going to have carbon fiber accessories that go over the mirrors and the grill inlets and stuff like that you can swap out and change out and really customize the vehicle. There's going to be 6 interior colors that you can choose from. There's also quite a few different stitches that you can choose from, so you can mix and match the stitching with the leather. So Chevrolet has a program where you could go to the factory, design your vehicle there, and help the process of building it right there at the factory, and pick your vehicle up from the factory instead of a dealership. You can pick it straight up from the factory. So there's plenty of ways to customize this vehicle already, and in the future they're going to come out with a whole bunch more. Here are a couple of the wheels that you can choose from. Not only can you choose different wheels, but you can choose the different lug nuts and the center caps that go in the wheel. The wheels are also staggered in size, so the back wheels are bigger than the front wheels. And they have lots of carbon fiber and accessories that go all over the vehicle, from the mirrors to the splitter to the engine cover. So I recommend you head down to your dealer as fast as you can, put your order in, because this car is going to go like hotcakes. I'm sure the waiting list is going to be long, so the sooner you get down there, the sooner you can customize that car and get it in your driveway. I'm Brian from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.